To connect a tablet to your alignment system for the first time, both the aligner and tablet need to be on the same Wi-Fi network. To check this, on the aligner, press Ctrl-W. Once Windows is open, check the Wi-Fi settings in the lower right-hand corner. On the tablet, press the Settings button. Then, Network and Internet. Finally, press Wi-Fi. Once confirming they are on the same network, go back to the main screen on the tablet and open the aligner program on the main unit. Next, on the tablet, open the Play Store. Search for Aligner Connect. Then download and install the app. Now, on the aligner's main screen, press the blue F2 button. Select System Configuration, then select Windows Program. Enter the password by pressing the keys F8, F7, F6, F8, and then press the gray F5 button. This will bring up the aligner's IP address. On the tablet, open the Aligner Connect app. On the first pop-up window, press While using the app. On the next pop-up window, press Allow. On this page, click Manual IP on the lower right. Input the computer's IP address shown on the aligner screen, and click OK. Next, enter the password AABB. The tablet should now be emulating the aligner's screen and can be used to move through the program as a remote. Once the tablet has been initially set up, the next time you want to use the tablet, simply open the Aligner Connect app, then select the aligner that you would like to connect to. The tablet will automatically connect to the aligner, and you will be able to move through the program as a remote.